From ethical sourcing to expert craftsmanship, every step defines luxury.
This is how crocodile leather becomes a symbol of excellence. Have you ever wondered how luxury crocodile leather products are made? From raw hide to world-class fashion, the process is more fascinating than you think. In this video, we will show you how crocodile leather products are crafted with precision and care. Every step follows strict quality standards to create luxury items admired worldwide.
The process begins with ethically sourced crocodile hides from regulated farms.
Each hide is carefully tracked to ensure sustainability and legality.
Proper handling preserves the quality from the very beginning.
Environmental control is critical at this stage.
Only premium hides move forward.
Quality control starts early.
The hides are thoroughly cleaned to remove impurities.
This prepares the leather for tanning.
Proper alignment ensures even processing.
Every detail matters.
Tanning transforms raw hide into durable leather.
This step defines flexibility and strength. Temperature and timing are precisely controlled. Consistency is key. The leather begins to take shape. Strength meets elegance. After tanning, the leather is slowly dried under controlled conditions.
This prevents cracking and preserves natural texture.
Softening machines restore flexibility and strength. The hide becomes supple and workable. Each hide is tested for softness. Only perfectly balanced hides move forward. Natural dyes are applied to enhance color and depth. The color bonds deep into the leather. Hand finishing ensures uniform tone. Precision defines luxury.
The color is carefully set.
Consistency is strictly verified. Each product begins with precise pattern design. Patterns are aligned to respect natural scale symmetry. Cutting is done with extreme accuracy. No margin for error exists.
Each piece is matched by texture and size. Only flawless cuts proceed.
stitching brings structure and durability.
Every stitch is intentional. Some details require handcrafted precision.
The product begins to take form.
Assembly blends craftsmanship with efficiency.
Balance and symmetry are checked.
Edges are sealed for durability. This step enhances longevity.
Polishing reveals natural shine.
Luxury is visible in the details.
Human expertise perfects the finish.
The surface must be flawless.
Every product undergoes final inspection.
Nothing escapes attention.
Durability is verified. Only approved items pass.
Excellence is the standard.
Perfection is non-negotiable. Packaging preserves quality during transport. Presentation reflects prestige. Each item is tracked globally.
Ready for worldwide distribution.
Luxury travels from factory to fashion houses.
This completes the journey of crocodile leather craftsmanship.
Thanks for watching USA Factory Hub. Subscribe for more Inside Factory documentaries.